if content idea is one of the things you are struggling with right now on your blog website, then I'm going to simply show you how to solve that and generate tons of content ideas that are optimized for SEO and also optimized to rank on Google, rank on Bing. If we can conquer content idea struggles, then the rest, being monetization and traffic, will fall into place. Don't skip this video for any reason, right? So for content ideas, I'm going to be showing you free tools that will help you generate tons of ideas for your blog website. So let's get into fixing our blog content ideas struggles. Okay, the first tool which I normally use is Answer the Public. All right, so this is the first tool. This particular website allows you to get all the stuff that people are searching for on Google, on Bing, on YouTube, on TikTok, Amazon, and Instagram. All right, all you need to do is simply come over to this section, sign up your account, then you can use this particular tool for free. All right, so when you come over to this section, all you need to do right now is simply put in the keyword which is relevant to your own audience. Right, and before you put in any keyword right here, you need to simply select the country that you want to target. Okay, you want to get higher CPM countries. You can as well go ahead and target other countries like let's say United Kingdom. So I'm going to be selecting United Kingdom right here for me to get all the ideas I need for my blog content. Right, so I'm going to select English as the language. Okay, so remember, we're going to simply type in something right here. We're going to simply type in, let's say, finance or stocks. All right, so on one of my blogs I talks about stocks, so I'm going to simply use this as the keywords. All right, so if I type in stocks, what I'm going to do right now is simply click on this search button. But before you click on the search button, make sure whatever you type in here is related to your own niche. If your niche is about fashion, you can type in clothing here, fashion. You can type in makeup, then click on the search button. All right, so whichever one you put, select the country you want to target, where you want your traffic to come from. Then if I click on this search button, this is going to simply load for me. All right, we have over 3033 results. Okay, so this is what we have. If you scroll down here, you're going to see we have 150 question keyword under stocks. Like, people are searching for this keyword a lot. Okay, so if you scroll down here, if you see lowest search, forget about that. Okay, because most people are not interested in this keyword. Focus on the ones that are highly searched. Okay, and these are the questions people ask every single day on Google. Remember, the one we're targeting is Google. Okay, and all you need to do is to make sure you copy these keywords the way they are, or you come over to this section here. You're going to simply click on this save image. Okay, so if you click on this save image, you have to simply create an account for you to save image for free. All right, these content here, which are all here, will become your keyword. And what you need to do is, whenever you want to write your blog content, copy the keyword. Your auto blogging plugin, we're going to simply write all the content that are related to all of these keywords. Okay, for you to make more broad search, you can use tools like SEMrush. All right, so this is stock right here, and this is the keyword. We're going to simply check out the keyword that people are searching for on this very platform. All right, you can see the search volume here, the CPC, how much people are paying, how much advertisers are paying for this keyword, and it's going to simply show you the volume, that is the number of people that searches for this keyword. All right, so you're going to simply show you the KD, which is keyword difficulty. So if you see red, it is no go area. Okay, so for you to get those keywords that are easy to rank for, just click on this keyword right here, which is KD. When you select that, then select easy. All right, this easy means those ones that are easier to rank for. Okay, you're going to see we have green colors right here. Okay, so this green color shows that these are easy to rank for. Okay, I have to simply go ahead and select this, then select this, select IVP stock, then all of these stuffs right here. I'm going to simply select all of them. When I select all of them, I click on this export button. All right, when I export this keyword, this is going to simply be in my possession. All right, whenever I want to make a blog post, I can easily go ahead and use this content and topic, okay, for my blog post. And by so doing, there's no need of brainstorming on ideas to write on, or maybe searching for what people are searching for. Okay, with these two research tool right here, which is Answer the Public and SEMrush, then your content idea problem and struggles are solved. Okay, so if you've already conquered that particular one, there's another one for you to conquer. There are other places to get ideas for your blog website. You can use Bosumo Quora, where you can see questions people are asking for. Pick those questions, write content about them, come over to Quora and post your link as the answer to that question. All right, number two is actually turning this content into cash. So for instance, you've already gathered all your content right here, which are the keywords we wrote about, and you publish this keyword on your blog website. Remember, people are going to be coming to read. For you to get paid, you just have to make sure you get a blog website for yourself, and I will recommend you go for a standard website blog, your own custom domain, which is yourname.com, yourname.org, yourname.net, yourname.xyz, and lots more. Okay, but if you're using a free template builder or a free page builder like Blogger and all of that, you're going to have limited access from your blog website. The monetization you're going to simply integrate and all that things. Okay, so that's why I recommend you go for the custom built and standard website blog. Okay, so there are plugins you need to install on your blog website for you to monetize. So I'm going to simply be revealing that in this very video. Remember, these plugins will not work if you're using Blogger. So if you don't have a standard website blog with your own custom domain, then make sure you get a standard website blog for yourself. Get a developer that will do this for you. Or if you don't have a developer that can build and monetize your website, make sure you join us on our Telegram channel. My team are there to handle all of these things for you. Just give me a chat to make sure you install these plugins, which I'm going to simply show you for you to get your website monetized. Okay, so the first plugin you're going to simply install, and these plugins are already installed on my website blog. All right, the first one is this one. If you go to settings, you're going to see we have ad inserter right here. We have this video plugin right here, which is called Jetpack plugin on your blog website. Okay, this is it right here, Jetpack. And another one you have to simply install is this very one right here, which is Bravo. What we're trying to conquer right now is the monetization aspect of blogging when people read our blog. All right, and after installing this, make sure you register your account on Astera and also register your account on ShareSell. Okay, what you're going to simply be getting affiliate link, and most of these blog websites are automated with AI. Most of my students which have already gotten their website built all have this auto blogging feature for their blog website. With the AI tool, what you need to do right now is simply go ahead and get the content idea, give it to the AI tool, it will write and you publish. Right, that is all. Okay, so if my team are monetizing or building your blog, all of these things will be set up for you. Okay, so you don't have to worry about anything. Okay, then this is what you have to do: register your account on platforms like Astera, Hitop Ad, Montag. Okay, so if you have your account on these platforms and also on ShareSell, it will be easier for you. So if you have all of this in place, then all you have to do is simply go ahead and monetize. All you need to do for this to work for you is go to add unit. Okay, when you come to add unit, this is what you're going to simply do. Then select the format you want to go for. You can see the format we have already added. Again, then click on this. You can add pop under native banner, social bar, and direct link to your blog website. Okay, and it will start displaying ads. So long as people are seeing the ad, your impression will be increasing, and the more your impression increase, your CPM will go higher. That is basically how this thing works. Okay, you don't need anybody to buy anything from you. You don't need the referral. You don't need to bring 2 people for 2 people to bring 4 people. You don't need all of those things. All you need to do is simply go ahead and deliver value on your blog website. These people will come automatically on their own. Right, and remember, ads is not the only way you make money from your blog website. Okay, so if you think adding advertisement to your blog website is the only way, you are really losing money. Okay, one other way is simply by utilizing ShareSell. Okay, which is affiliate marketing. If you don't have ShareSell, you can go for Digistore24, ClickBank, you can go for Partner Stack, JVZoo, and lot more. Okay, there are a lot of affiliate programs out there. Even Amazon offers you an affiliate program where you can easily promote a product. Okay, for instance, if you search for Hostinger review, you're going to see lots of blog websites that have already written about Hostinger. You can see this one has written about Hostinger, and if you come to this session, they've already written about Hostinger. What are they doing? They are trying to promote their Hostinger affiliate link. Okay, so what they do is this: they pick the name of the company they are promoting, then they add review. For instance, if I'm promoting John Francis, then I'll add John Francis review 2025. Okay, that's basically how this thing works. And when you promote that, anybody that comes online to search for this particular keyword which I've already typed in here, they're going to simply bring out your own blog, and if they click on it and purchase from your own link, automatically you're going to get paid. All right, that's basically how affiliate marketing works in the layman understanding. So if you're understanding what I'm teaching you right now, hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel, and also comment where you're watching from. Okay, so I can make videos that are tailored to your own country that will benefit you more. Right, so with this particular tool, you don't need to bother yourself about advertisement. Okay, you can as well create a store where you sell merchandise on your blog website. For instance, if you have an existing business already, maybe you bake cake, maybe you are into fashion, you can simply create a separate product page where you sell all your businesses, services, and lots more to your audience, right? And this is basically how to conquer the monetization struggle. Okay, getting traffic is one of the struggles most beginners face every single day. So for you to get traffic to your blog website, first of all, go ahead and install these plugins right here, which is Jetpack. Okay, this plugin generates tons of traffic for me. If you install your Jetpack, then go to settings right here, come to this section that says downtime monitoring. Make sure you turn this on. Go to firewall, turn this on. Then for the brutal force protection, turn this on. This is going to simply protect your website from both malwares, invalid traffic, and all of that. Okay, then for the IP allowed address, just forget about these ones right here, both WordPress login, forget about them. Then come to this section that says performance. All right, and for the performance and speed, make sure you turn this on. Then go to sharing. On this section, go to sharing. Make sure you connect your social media pages, okay, so that once you publish a content on your blog website, it will be shared across all your social media handles. All right, so this will help boost your traffic. It will help get you more click, more subscribers, and also more readers to your blog website. All right, so if you scroll down here, you're going to simply turn on this automatically share your posts to social media. Right here, I've already connected my Facebook right here, and I've already connected LinkedIn, and I can easily connect more. Okay, if I want to connect more, you just need to click on this connect account. Okay, turn on this sharing button and like button. That was how I got those likes and also those shares. Okay, so if you scroll up here, you're going to see connect an account. You can connect to Thread, and I only connected Facebook, Tinbro, LinkedIn, and got those traffic. Okay, so yeah, if you can connect more, you're going to be seeing more traffic to your blog website, and this is going to simply help you gain more traffic. All right, so this is better. All my blog websites are using this plugin. Okay, I'm also going to simply show you another one in my next video, which I also use to boost my traffic. Okay, if you want me to show you that, I want you to comment more video on the comment section. If I see more videos up to 50 comments, then I'm going to simply make that video and show you how it works, okay, and how to boost your traffic for your blog website even without paying a dime. Okay, so you need to do right now, simply go ahead and connect your social media accounts. If you connect all of them, you don't have to do any other thing again. Once they are all saved, just go ahead, publish your blog post. Automatically go and check your Facebook if the content has popped up. Okay, then this will be shared on your Facebook. You have already connected, and this is one of the best way to get more backlinks to your website. And another way to get traffic to your blog website is by inviting people to come in. All right, so how do you invite people to come into your blog? You can use Facebook ad, Instagram ad, TikTok ad, Pinterest ad to boost your traffic. Okay, these platforms are going to simply help you get more traffic without you breaking your bank. Okay, with all of these solutions, we've been able to conquer all our blog struggles, both the content idea struggle, the monetization struggle, and traffic struggle. All right, if you have any other thing that you're struggling with your blog, I want you to comment them on the comment section. Then I'm going to simply make a video about that. Okay, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to this video channel, and also join us on our Telegram and WhatsApp channel to get started with your blogging. See you in the next video.